So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito kabola, pag-uusapan natin kabola yung naganap po na finals kung saan nanalo po ang San Miguel Beermen kabola. And then of course, we will talk about trade rumor na kumakalat mo ngayon sa Blue App, sa Facebook kabola. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So let's start nga po kabola. Dito po sa naganap po na finals. First, congratulations to San Miguel Beermen kabola. For me, it was a masterpiece of a victory in a series kabola. So, what they did, if you simplify it actually, ang ginawa po ng San Miguel Beermen is they just stayed true to their advantage, to their strength, which is inside scoring all throughout the series kabola. I do not think na may isang game po natalo sila sa points in the paint. I think the closest was game 5, 38-36. Pero other than that kabola, talagang dun lang. They went inside all throughout the games kabola, diba? They have Perez, top 5 slasher, kabola, and of course they have Fajardo. That's what their formula kabola, and walang magawa ang TNT primarily because they do have a lot of injuries kabola, di ba? And the injuries was a big part of this defeat by the TNT. Pero of course, di ba, injuries is part of professional basketball kabola. Kaya nga kaya nga sobrang loaded yung dalawang teams na yan kasi they recognize that injuries is part of professional basketball kabola, that they need to overcome it. Unfortunately for TNT, of course, they did not, although they made a lot of moves trying to overcome it, diba? They traded for Jordan Heading kabola, they did not basically give up anything, diba? So they tried, wala silang Castro, walang Eram, they did try kabola, pero unfortunately nga lang talaga San Miguel was the better team, and I do believe that they are the more deserving talaga to win this championship. Pero of course, it's a very, very sad for TNT who is trying to accomplish a Grand Slam. I think, kung tutignan lang natin, TNT deserve to accomplish a Grand Slam. Unfortunately lang talaga kabola, health talaga is a big part din kabola of doing that. Kabola, of doing that. Now, discuss lang natin konti yung sa finals MVP kasi it was given to Jericho Cruz. Jericho Cruz was a very good part of this final series kabola, diba? He delivered a lot of crunch time basket kabola, pero all throughout the series Fajardo was unstoppable. Fajardo was delivering double-double. So for me, the finals MVP should have been Fajardo kabola. Yung mga bumoboto kay Fajardo, and of course may mga na central din kasi sa issue itong si Cruz kabola dahil sa statement ni Coach Jolas. So in a way, nakuha niya yung narrative kaya he got this finals MVP. Dito naman tayo sa comments ng mga fans. Ang tanong, ano ba yung rules ginagamit ng Oba-Oba rules? Sabi ni Jose Bro. Shout out po idol, sabi ni Anthony Alon. Pa-shoutout sir, sabi ni Ronald Berbusinad. SMB ako, din sabi po ni Anthony Alon. Now, we have this rumor kabola between Converge and Ginebra. So, meron pong lumalabas na rumor na may contemplation daw na nangyayari between the two camps of a swap kabola of the rights of Mikey Williams for Jeremiah Gray kabola. Now, unfortunately for Converge, if this happen, it's a clear loss sa kanila. Kasi dapat isama mo pa rin yung trade nila di ba? Remember, they gave up Heading kabola and Nieto to get the rights to Mikey Williams, and itong mangyayari, di ba? Napakasakit, di ba? Kabola, napakasakit na isipin. Kasi for Heading, we will always choose Heading over Jeremiah Gray kabola, di ba? So, ang daling loss na yun, kabola, for Converge. Now, kung hindi natin i-consider rights ni Mikey Williams for Jeremiah Gray, kabola, parang injury prone na yung player for an old with a lot of issues na proven guy. Parang ganun yung trade na to Sino ang panalo? I do still think na leaning pa rin ako sa Ginebra side, kabola. Kasi if they can sign Mikey Williams, kabola, they will still get, at the very least, a top 40 player, diba? While Converge, kabola, kahit pa maglaro si Jeremiah Gray, kabola, knowing the number of injuries, kabola, will he even be a top 40 player sa kanya pong career, diba? Sa PBA, that's the issue, kabola. So, yun yung nakakalungkot ngayon sitwasyon ng Converge. Kamakabali sa pag-game mo, mangyari kayo itong trade na ito, kami lang po sa ba?